Hello, everyone. Nice to meet you all. I'm Hana Lee from Atomy, Canada. Hi. Yeah. My skin was pretty good until I got late 30. When I got close to 40, you know, right? My skin looked dull, dry, losing elasticity. I had tried many other skincare brands because I'm open to try new things. If I don't like it, I don't stay. So I jumping around. And then some of them are pretty good, but they are not good enough. I needed a better one. They couldn't help me, aging, help me from the aging, and then my skin still looked dull, dry. It didn't change my skin. When I was looking for something, I found out Atomy skincare. I tried this cleansing system and absolute skincare. After 1 month, I noticed my skin looked clearer, smoother. It started to glow. And even my husband noticed the improvement. When husband noticed that is real improvement. Before Atomy skincare, I spent $100 to $150 for one single serum, but it couldn't change my skin. But Atomy skincare, I paid a lot less, but it worked a lot better. The result, I was pretty impressed. So I thought myself, I finally found the product I can stick to. I need to tell to my friends and family they should know about it. It will be good for them. So I started to share Atomy. And one day I went to Atomy home beauty party and I met some of the leaders. By then, my skin was pretty good, I thought. But theirs was at another level. I was so amazed by the skin. So I wanted to have it. I really want to upgrade my skin. So I decided to be more dedicated to my skincare and I added more. And I think I got it. So my friends are always asking me, wondering how come I look better than last year without any medical help. You know what? Because there are so many amazing new products in Atomy. Every time I add, I look better and better. It's like upgrading. Starting with the Atomy skincare, I changed everything I need from home cleansing to health supplement. I changed everything with Atomy brand. So I shop on Atomy shopping mall. Before Atomy, it's really hard to find the right products for the performance and the safety and of course the pricing. But Atomy, I can shop with peace of mind. The products are made with high standard, very high standard from premium natural ingredients and cutting edge technology and amazingly affordable pricing. So I'm so happy with using the Atomy and I can share with everybody, anybody. Thanks to Atomy products, I feel my body got stronger and healthier and I look more younger, beautiful, I feel confident. And thanks to Atomy, the company, my vision, my world, mind, and spirit are growing. I'm becoming a better person. So now I can share with anybody with confidence. Every time I host a beauty party, I know it doesn't matter how they come. Sometimes they look, not happy. But it doesn't matter. I know at the end of the session, they will look all beautiful. They will love it. So I can share with anybody with confidence. I'm not perfect. I cannot win everybody. But I know the Atomy products will win their heart. We know that, right? Yes. So I encourage everybody to try many Atomy products, not just skincare. They will surprise you. You will have happier, healthy, beautiful body inside and outside. And I encourage you to find about this company more detailed. You will have happier, more meaningful life. This is my sharing. Thanks for listening. I'm Hana Lee from Atomy, Canada.